Are motivational videos monetized on YouTube? This is a question that has intrigued many, and today we will seek to shine a light on this mystery. The topic of YouTube monetization and motivational videos is not as straightforward as it might seem on the surface. It's a subject shrouded in layers of complexity, requiring us to cut through the noise and understand the true nature of things. Before we delve deeper, let's start with the basics. What exactly does the term motivational videos imply? Motivational videos are a genre of content that is specifically crafted to inspire, uplift, and galvanize viewers. They are designed with the primary aim of triggering an emotional response, a spark of ambition, the awakening of a dormant dream, or a renewed sense of purpose within the viewer. These videos serve more than just a fleeting burst of energy. They are a beacon, a torch that lights the path for individuals navigating through the twists and turns of life. The effect they have is powerful and profound. They act as a catalyst, igniting the fire within individuals, propelling them to chase their dreams and achieve their goals. An essential aspect of motivational videos is their immersive and dynamic content. They often incorporate inspirational speeches by influential figures, uplifting music that stirs the soul, and compelling visual content that leaves an indelible imprint on the viewer's mind. The amalgamation of these components results in a potent mix that touches the human spirit and incites action. The impact they make is far-reaching. They leave a lasting impression and serve as a constant reminder of the power we hold within ourselves. They motivate, they inspire, they fuel the drive to succeed. The role they play is undeniable, their influence ubiquitous. But how does the monetization aspect come into the picture? How do creators of such impactful content generate revenue? The process of YouTube monetization is a multifaceted one, influenced by various factors. It involves intricate mechanisms, detailed analytics, and a deep understanding of audience behavior. The question we started with, are motivational videos monetized on YouTube, is not a simple yes or no answer. It's a complex equation entailing various elements. But as we journey through this exploration, we hope to unravel the answer one step at a time. Often they incorporate moving speeches, uplifting music, or compelling visual content to stir emotions and incite action. Now that we've established what motivational videos are, let's delve deeper into the fascinating world of YouTube monetization. YouTube, a name that has become synonymous with online video sharing, has emerged as a platform that not only allows content creators to showcase their talents to the world, but also provides them with an opportunity to earn from their content. This opportunity is like a golden ticket for many creators, allowing them to turn their passion into a lucrative business. YouTube monetization, in simple terms, refers to the process where creators generate revenue from their videos. And how exactly does this process work? It operates through various means. Ads, channel memberships, and merchandise sales are the most common ways through which the creators can earn. When we talk about ads, we are referring to the advertisements that appear before, during, or after a video plays. Every time a viewer watches these ads, a certain amount of revenue is generated. This is a significant part of YouTube's monetization process. Channel memberships, on the other hand, involve viewers paying a monthly recurring fee to get unique badges, new emojis, and other perks. This not only helps creators increase their income, but also strengthens the bond with their audience. It's a form of monetization that adds a touch of personalization, enhancing viewer engagement. Merchandise sales refer to the selling of various products related to the channel. Creators can sell t-shirts, mugs, posters, and many other items featuring the channel's logo or related themes. This is another effective monetization tool that can significantly boost a creator's earning potential. However, to tap into this revenue stream, creators must meet certain requirements. YouTube has set forth specific guidelines to ensure the quality of the content. They need a minimum of 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the preceding 12 months. This is a strict precondition put forth by YouTube to ensure that the platform is not misused. It's a fair play rule that ensures only deserving creators earn from their content. These requirements might seem daunting initially, but they can be achieved with persistence and quality content. Consistency, creativity, understanding the platform's algorithm are some of the key factors that can help a creator reach these milestones. It's a journey of perseverance and dedication, a journey that has led many creators to turn their passion into a sustainable career. In conclusion, YouTube monetization is not just about earning revenue, but it's also about building a strong, engaged community of viewers. It's a platform that bridges the gap between passion and profession, enabling creators to do what they love and earn from it simultaneously. They need a minimum of 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the preceding 12 months. Now, to answer the burning question, can motivational videos be monetized on YouTube? The answer is a resounding yes. Motivational videos, with their potential to attract a significant audience, are indeed appealing to advertisers. As long as the content adheres to YouTube's community guidelines and steers clear of any copyright infringements, creators can monetize these videos just like any other content. You might wonder, how does the monetization process work for motivational videos? Creators essentially enable ads on their content. YouTube's AdSense program facilitates this, allowing creators to earn from ads displayed before, during, or after their videos. But that's not all. Creators can also earn through sponsorships, affiliate marketing, or by selling their own merchandise or services. To sum everything up, it's clear that motivational videos can indeed be monetized on YouTube. This provides content creators the chance to earn from various sources, while simultaneously inspiring and motivating their viewers. Therefore, for creators aiming to spread positivity and make a living out of it, motivational videos could be the ideal path. That's it for today's discussion. If you found this information valuable, remember to show your appreciation. And don't forget to subscribe for more enlightening content. Until next time, keep the motivational spirit alive and continue pursuing your dreams.